gotten quite a few requests for individuals who need full business systems built and automated for them. So I decided to create this series where I'm building one from scratch using the example of an online beauty academy. So I'm calling this Stasia's Online Beauty Academy. This could work for any business. This is especially applicable for any business owners who may sell or offer online courses. So I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes and show you guys exactly how I build out the full business systems from start to finish. All right, guys. So when I'm designing business systems, the first thing I like to do is just have a whiteboard where I map out all the requirements for the project, so all the different systems that the client needs. So the three things that the client said they wanted to start out with was a landing page where they can do lead capture, some social media scheduling automations, some email automations to keep people interested. So the first thing that I did was just map out like, okay, these are the three core things that the client said that they need. And they said that in the future, they would like to be able to offer courses, handle invoicing, and CRM. So this is the high level business systems that we need for this project. The next thing that I did was just begin to map out the details of the different assets that we need, or the different systems, if you want to say. So, for the landing page, I just started mapping out pretty much like high level. What are some of the components that the landing page will need to have? And then I just thought through some of the other pages that we'll need, and then when it comes to the social media scheduling, I just started thinking through some of the functions that we're going to need to configure our workflow automation tool for. So being able to post to YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and IG, for example. And then the email automation. So likely this client is wanting to nurture leads. So they might have different subgroups. So I also just thought through the function that we'll need for our automation tool as far as just sending out weekly emails. Let's see. Is there anything else I want to show you guys in the high level? That's about it as far as just like the high level goes. What I'm gonna do next is just have like a one-off video that just like shows like how I built each of the assets that we'll need. I will be starting with the landing page website, and I'll just have sequential videos to show how we continue to build it out for each of the other systems. So I really hope you guys enjoy seeing how we build out basically turnkey businesses and give them full business systems and business automations.